What is the IPL impact player rule in cricket? Imagine a game where teams can swap players in the middle of the match to turn the tide in their favor. That's exactly what the impact player rule brings to the Indian Premier League. Starting from the 2023 season, this rule changed how teams manage their squads during a match. Each team now nominates 5 substitute players before the game begins, in addition to their usual 11 players. These substitutes are called impact players. During the game, the captain can choose to bring in one impact player to replace any player from the starting 11 at specific times. Once a player is swapped out for an impact player, the original player cannot come back into the game. The impact player can bat, bowl, and field just like any other player. They can even bowl their full quota of overs if they are a bowler. This means teams can have 12 players participating in the match instead of just 11. The timing for bringing in an impact player is flexible but limited. The captain can make the switch at the start of an innings, after an over ends, when a wicket falls, or if a batter retires. However, if the impact player is introduced when a wicket falls or a batter retires, they cannot bowl in that same over. They have to wait until the next over to start bowling. This rule gives captains more options to adapt their team based on how the game is unfolding. For example, if the pitch favors spin bowlers, a team can bring in a spinner as an impact player instead of a fast bowler. Or if wickets fall quickly during a chase, they can add a strong batsman to stabilize the innings. This flexibility helps teams to be more strategic and responsive during the match. Only one impact player can be used in each game, so teams need to choose the right moment carefully. The impact player rule is inspired by the X Factor rule used in the Big Bash League in Australia, which started in the 2020-21 season. The IPL adopted it in 2023, with Tusha Deshpande from Gujarat Titans becoming the first impact player in IPL history when he replaced Ambuddy Rudda against Chennai Super Kings. So far, this rule is only used in the IPL and some Indian domestic tournaments like the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. It is not yet part of international cricket. Unlike concussion substitutes, which are mandatory when a player gets injured, impact player substitutions are voluntary and tactical. This rule has changed how teams think about their lineups and game plans. It allows for more creative strategies, especially in a fast-paced format like T20 cricket. Teams can now replace a player with a specialist or a power hitter at just the right moment, making the game more exciting and unpredictable.